Hi guys! Welcome back! For today's video, quick but very important English lesson tayo. Alam mo ba kung kailan gagamitin ang I at me? Marami nagkakamali dito kahit basic lang siya. So let us fix it today. First, what is I? Gamitin mo ang I kapag ikaw ang gumagawa ng action or ikaw ang subject ng sentence. For example, my friend and I went to school. I study English every day. I made this video for you guys. Think of it like this. Ikaw ang doer or yung acting person. Second, what is me? Gamitin mo naman ang me kapag ikaw ang tinatamaan ng action or ikaw yung receiver ng action. For example, the teacher called my friend and me. They gave the gift to me. My mom asked me to clean the house. Dito, hindi ikaw ang gumagawa, ikaw yung tumatanggap ng action. Common mistake na ginagawa ng marami? Maraming nagsasabi ng me and my friend went to school. Pero mali yan sa formal English. Ang tama, this is the correct way, my friend and I went to school. So I hope you like our quick tutorial about the use of me and I. So make sure na gamitin ng tama para sunod ay tama ring pakinggan ng inyong mga sentences. Bye!